Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Khemka and I hope you all are doing great and staying fit. So you already know what the video is going to be all about. I have bought few products from Nykaa. I have already opened 2 to 3 products and rest of them are still with the packaging, so I'll be opening them in front of you. And all the products are under 500 rupees and they are related to makeup. So all the makeup lovers, stick to this video till the end and let's get started. So I'll be starting with my favorite thing, that is lipstick, cause I was just waiting when I'll shoot this video and able to see my lipstick shade. So the first one is this Miss Claire Chubby Stick. This is for 125 rupees and the shade number is 48. So I'll open this quickly and swatch it for you guys. So it looks like this. So here is the swatch and just loving the shade, this kind of red shade. And this is this long for 125 rupees and I'm pretty much satisfied with this. So the second thing I've got is this Wet n Wild lipstick. This is for 135 rupees and the shade is dark wine. Let me open and swatch it for you. It looks like this. So here is the swatch for this one and it gives kind of silk finish. So yeah, if you want you can check in the description box for the link. So the next is this Nykaa lipstick. This is for 200 rupees and the shade is Cinnamon Crunch. To be honest, I was not expecting this lipstick to be this short, but ab kya kar sakte. So okay, I just love this shade. This is nude shade. This is proper matte. This shade is really damn amazing, but the size, I'm not satisfied with the size. But yeah, lipstick is damn awesome. So that were the 3 lipsticks I got. I just love the Nykaa shade and the Miss Claire one. Now we have his liner. I have this Blue Heaven green color liner. Let me see how it is. Okay, so this is for 75 rupees and let's see how it looks. So it looks like peacock green color. See. So I think it's good for 75 rupees. So the next thing I have got is this Lakme liner, the blue shade and the black shade. This Lakme brush is like really, it's very thin and amazing. So here the blue one and the black one. It looks like this and I'm pretty much satisfied with the liner color. I have also ordered one purple color eyeliner which is not delivered yet, so I don't have that. So the next is this Pond's BB cream. I have been using this since last 2 years and I just repurchased it. This is for 120 rupees and it's good for instant spot coverage and natural glow. The next thing I have got is this Blue Heaven makeup stick. This is for 95 rupees and I have already used this. Today I have just applied this makeup stick and I have just skipped foundation and concealer, all of that step. I just applied moisturizer and this stick and you can see the glow. So I'm just loving this product and it is pretty inexpensive. It is for 95 rupees and it looks like this. You can choose your shade according to your skin tone. It is this long and it makes your skin little dry, so just apply moisturizer before using this. I am just loving this product. I am going to repurchase this as soon as I finish this. So yeah, you can definitely try this if you are a beginner for makeup. It's really good. The next is this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Compact. I have already tried My Glam one and Maybelline one, so I bought this Lakme compact to give a try. So it has a mirror and it comes with a puff and it smells really good. So I think I'm going to love this compact. The next is this primer. This is Blue Heaven primer for 300 rupees. I can't review much about it because this is the first time I am purchasing primer. So I have nothing to compare. So yeah, I think it's good. The texture is like water and let's see how it works for me. The next thing I have got is this Bare Body Lip Roll-On and this is super amazing. I have already tried this before. This is super glossy and also it doesn't have any color. It smells really good. It's just glossy without any color, as you can see. It's a bit expensive, but obviously it's really amazing, so if you want you can try. The next thing I have got is this Bare Body Underarms Cream. It says it even tone your skin, lighten your skin and smoothen your skin. It looks like this. I have used this little bit and it smells really good. This is for 400 rupees and let's see if it works or not. The next thing I have purchased is this Blue Heaven loose powder, that is translucent powder. This is for 125 rupees. I have not opened this yet, so let's see. It smells good and it looks like this. It comes with a puff and it says to use remove this sticker. So we have to remove this sticker and we just have to dab this here and apply it. It's pretty reasonable because it's for 125 rupees. So if you want you can try this. The next thing I have purchased is this Pond's Light Moisturizer for glowing and smooth skin. This is all over internet, so I thought I'll buy and give it a try. So yeah. The texture is really very soft and light and it smells really amazing. I was using Nivea moisturizer till now, but I think now I'm going to switch to Pond's. The last product I have got is this mascara. This is Blue Heaven mascara for 125 rupees. I have been using this since I have started using mascara because it is pretty reasonable and it works for me. I have repurchased this because the previous one is just over and see, it lifts my eyelashes properly. I have not applied mascara today, so you can see the difference. So yeah, this is the last product and I'm just a beginner in makeup. So I'm just exploring makeup products and I bought all this. So that was all the products I bought from Nykaa. All the products will be linked down in the description. So if you want you can try that. So that was it for my today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down below and let me know your views and what kind of video would you love to watch, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I upload new video every Friday, so hit the bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram because I have started making videos over there as well. And yeah, see you next Friday. Bye.